How can you edit 4K video on the iPad? Let me show you some options that we have available. And if you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming tutorials. So of course, the iPad is capable of both recording 4K videos as well as editing them, but it all comes down to the footage, right, and the video editor. So of course, whenever you are inside of your gallery and if you have a 4K video you want to edit, you can utilize the built-in editing tools, but that's not very extensive. Like you can only trim it or like mute the video or whatever, but it's not very much for video editing. But there are of course other video editors which as well can edit 4K footage. For example, a lot of people use CapCut, which is fine, but the problem with the app is that you always have to pay attention to the export settings. So once you have your clips edited, you're going to tap on the export button, but before that you need to tap on the button next to it where you have the settings, and by default it's likely going to be set to 1080p resolution, so you have to slide it all the way to the 2K/4K, and there, as you can see, it requires the paid subscription. So it kind of works this way. Outside of that, there are also other applications like the LumaFusion, which, is a one-time purchase. So once you get it, you can access all of the features, but there as well, you have to play around with the export settings. So the video will be shot, of course, at 4K, but you want to make sure that you also export it at 4K. So that is the whole blueprint behind it. Whatever video editor you use, you want to make sure you also get the result in the 4K. So I really hope that I can help you out with it. Just a quick explanation on the topic. So let me know what you think below. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you later in the upcoming tutorials.